¿Dónde estoy?
Hello, Henry. Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here. Now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin. You're going to be here for a long time. Grigory, take him. You wait here until cell found.
¿Me ayudas? ¿Está bien? Ahora sí, necesito hacer esto. ¡Allá! Vamos a salvar a mi amiga. Ven.
And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage.
That's funny. Oh yeah, last night.
Es muy asado y con huevo fritito. Mejor ahoguemos, ¿sí?
Oh yeah, last night. Okay.
If we can get you up there, you could get in and open this door.
No se hundió otro. Ven. Que no necesitamos bromas. Vamos a usar la fuerza.
Hold it right there, inmates.
Aquí toma un rifle. Y un tajo.
So, you say all inmates is out of cell? Yeah, some idiot
Hey,
must have
I
woken
just
up.
grabbed one.
Son
Maybe
estas
they'll come in
gorras.
handy.
¿Qué hacemos?
Someone or I thought you press.
No sé. Vamos a tirarlas.
We'll regroup with that. There is convict here. Get down on the
Toma,
ground.
Wilson. ¡Vamos, tratamos! ¡Ayúdame!
Back to your cell. Boing. Twat. What, you think that will upset me? Damage.
Thanks. Now let's get out of here.
Así, no escapamos. Aquí.
Who's driving?
Esto. Un llama. ¿A dónde vamos? Acá, yo. Era vacío. Camino más rápido. ¡Rápido!
If it isn't Henry, there has not been an incident here in 50 years. The day you show up, this happens. You are going to regret everything.
¡Ah! ¡Rápido!